Hey loves, it's your girl Lucia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the juiciest summer lip combo. Disclaimer, if you're like my sister, she does not like brown liner. This video is not for you. If you do, or you want to start wearing brown lip liner, but you don't know what color combinations would go with brown, please continue watching. Also, I have linked every lip product that I've used on my lips down below. Only one I did not is this one, and that is because this is a sample from an Asian vendor overseas. It's just like a milky pink. So let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. First color up, take my MAC Chestnut lip liner. Disclaimer, I suck at lining my lips. Don't make fun of me.
In trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty.
One side of my lip, this side is just uneven. It is. I have to get a fix. Now I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss Fudge Me.
You feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me. You got me.
Basically, you're done. I have a little razzle dazzle for my ladies who are like me. If you have big lips, you're supposed to have that juicy, plump, glossy look. And the butter gloss is good. As you can see, there's some shine, but I want more shine. So how I make that happen? Take my clear lip gloss. And I got this from the beauty supply store. Oh my gosh, do not make the mistake like what I did. And I spent like $18 on a clear lip gloss because it was name brand. I don't know any other bigger waste of money than buying overly priced clear lip gloss. The one from the beauty supply store is perfect. You can't tell me this is not a stunning freaking lip gloss. Oh my gosh, this lip gloss, I can't even talk. It's so good. It's so pretty.
I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me?
Want a more glossy look? We're gonna use some clear gloss.
Better if I go, I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?